Wait, do that bit again. Wait, what?
No, 1 minute ago, I'm holding the
What?
You got a cube, and you can make prints on both sides.
What the hell?
Down. And I want
Break it?
gone. Tears on it. Something's inside. When I shake. See now the red one's over there, the blue one's over there.
Oh my god.
And watch.
What? Whoa. Whoa.
Okay.
Even they were impressed.
Yeah. Don't move. Please don't move. Okay. Oh. Oh shit.
Charge. Oh.
Oh. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
No.
Check
Wow.
Oh, what?
So
Wow. Whoa. Whoa, what? Whoa. Whoa. What the?
but
Okay, here.
The legend.
The legend, the myth. You show it. Look, it's on there.
Yeah.
150%. And you break it?
Oh, whoa. Dude.
Okay, look, we got a blank deck of cards, just like the clothes that I'm wearing. If we give it a shake like this, then it prints on both sides.
Whoa. Wow.
you got a cube, and you can make them three.
Whoa.
6 sides for
What?
the cube. So I can show that stuff.
Hello, so take a mental image of me holding the wallet like this.
Okay. Okay.
And there's a photo card here, very, very important. Remember this image, okay? And I also need you to have to pick a card.
All right.
So help me when I shuffle the card, you say stop anytime.
Stop.
Here, okay, take the card, show it to the camera. Got it?
You guys got it?
Put it back in the middle. Good. To find your card, it will make the time travel back. 1 minute ago. No, 1 minute ago, I'm holding the wallet.
Whoa.
Holding the wallet, but there's a card here. What's the card you think of?
4 diamonds.
And 4 of diamonds. There you go. Thank you very much.
Let me. So.
Yeah, what the fuck is that?
What the fuck?
Do that, wait, do that bit again. Wait, what the, whoa.
Can I see the video?
Wait.
How the hell? Whoa! Whoa!
So, let me shuffle. No. 1 card. Yes?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's the wallet.
Whoa!
Did it work?
Okay, final show of the day here in Las Vegas. Show 4, over 1,000 people. There's already some bums on seats waiting for the last one. I'm so tired. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace. Watch how cool this looks with your eyes, even not on camera. Watch. 3, 2, 1. and it just goes straight through. You turn it and you hand it out. Dude, thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it.
So you've given me this ring, and thanks so much. And you said I can have this ring. That's amazing. So people at Vegas have been so incredibly generous. I mean, this is just today. I mean, magic's great, but it's not really my hobby. My real passion is saving people's jewellery.
What the hell?
Down. That's got to be 40 quid when I go home. I really appreciate it.
No, give me back my ring. Give me back. Give me back my ring.
I've got something for you. This came earlier today. This is. In fact, Rodney, would you grab that? Take the tape off.
Yep.
I'll take the tape. Yeah. And
There you go.
there's something's inside.
It's not.
No.
Yes, it is. Holy moly! There it is.
Dude.
Live.
Oh. Thank you for giving me my ring back.
Yeah.
Whoa. What?
And it's crystal clear.
Wow. How the hell? How?
Optical lens.
Whoa.
This are wallets. You place a coin inside,
Yep. Whoa, what?
just change.
What?
There's nothing inside. There's nothing inside. See, it's just a piece of leather.
No.
The coin is gone. Totally gone.
What? Okay. All right.
You lift that side. You lift that side.
My hands in the way. Whoa. What the hell, bud? What the hell?
So bracelet, I want to make sure no magnets, no anything, just thread going through a bracelet.
Okay.
So can you hold your hand like and grab this? Watch. And it's fully examinable.
Wow. Sick. So that's not the hardest? No. Oh, the ring too. No. What is it? Oh my god. Do I look? Ah!
You get Crazy Man's handcuffs without the move.
Okay. Do it without the move again. Do it slow.
Slow without
slow.
the move. Slow without the move.
Slow. What the heck, dude?
There's a guitar on the wall, it's probably authentic.
And I want you to hold this, hold both of them. Okay. The moment I snap, they're fused. Oh. Did I snap? Did I snap?
Yeah, you snapped already. Wait, what? 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 What the?
So let's do another one.
What?
Oh, it's just fun. Yeah. Let me see if I can drop it. Kind of like that too. So, something like that. There we go. Awesome. And then bring it back on.
Whoa!
It goes very quick too, for sure. I've done a bunch of other things. What else can I do? Oh yeah, I got the other one. Black and silver.
Sick, man.
I'm ready wherever you are, my friend.
Man.
Alright, let me bring myself here a little more.
Oh my god.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Ready? Let's do it. Go. Oh shit! All right, buddy, you got this. Okay.
Sound effects work.
Watch it, you go like, oh crap, okay. Here we go, watch. If I go like this, oh, it's locked in. That's unfortunate, but if I go like this, it kind of looks
Now go to downloads.
Lloyd,
Yes.
I'm going to show you something just using a set of cards.
All right.
In fact, as soon as you're holding the camera, I'm going to do it. I'm going to deal through the cards. I don't want you to focus on any card in particular, but what I do want you to do is tell me to stop when you think the time is right.
All right.
Okay, so I'm going to deal through. Whenever you feel the time is right, you just say stop.
Stop.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, now, here we go. You can read these with me. These are the instructions, so you know I'm not cheating you. Deal the cards one at a time, face up. I did that.
Done.
Ask your spectator to stop you at any card. You did that. Ensure your spectator has a totally free choice of any one of the 52 cards. That was fair,
Fair.
right?
100%.
Your spectator stopped you on the 5 of spades.
No. No.
Do you want to turn it over?
Can I?
You
Can I actually?
Yeah.
Same password.
I haven't seen this before, so.
You haven't seen it.
Oh my god. What's that?
Knock 'em Dead. That was my second ever release 30 years ago.
How have I not seen that? That is phenomenal. I'm starting fooled.
So, okay, so I got. Now let me see where my sponge balls at. There you go. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this pouch here. Okay. So you know the whole 2 balls in the hand,
Yeah.
1 ball in the pocket. So I got 2 sponge balls in the hand, 1 in the pocket. So here's the question: how many's in the hand?
2.
Okay.
3.
What? Let's try it again. Okay, 2 in the hand, 1 in the pocket. Okay.
Okay.
Let's make sure it's actually in there. Okay, it's actually in there. All right, 2 in the hand, 1 in the pocket. So how many's actually in the hand?
2 in the hand.
Okay. I don't. Okay, let's try it again. All right, 2 in the hand, 1 in the pocket. Okay. Now, last time. How many's in the hand?
3.
3, 2. Okay. You know what? What you didn't realize is I took you back in time a little bit. Okay? So this is a token of the time travel. Okay, we went back in time in the beginning. Where did the ball begin?
In the wallet.
So it's not in the hand.
Oh!
Somebody open the wallet? I don't.
Inside the wallet? There? Oh!
Yeah, you
1,
can open the whole thing
2,
actually.
No! Wow! Oh my god, that's so cool.
Yep.
That's so cool. Wow.
This is great. This is great. No, pero aléjalo.
Okay.
Sit down, you go here, one thing here, you go,
What? What the hell? What?
I finally got it loaded up.
Okay, so check this out. Look, I've got 2 chips. I've got a blue one, I'll show you both sides. Got a red one, I'll show you both sides. I'm going to go really, really slow. Nothing in the hands. Check it out. Take the blue one. Going to make it change places with the red one when I shake. See, now the red one's over there, the blue one's over there. I'm going to do it again. Watch the blue one right here. Watch the red one here. It happens when I shake.
What?
Now, if the blue one's here, what's over here?
The red one.
No, that's the blue one.
Wait,
That's the red.
whoa.
You're missing this whole thing. You're missing the whole thing. Hold out your hand for me, Lloyd. That way down. That way down. Very good. I'm going to give you the red one. I'm going to take the blue one. Watch this. If magic was real, it would probably look like that. That's the red one. That's the blue one. Both sides. That is one of the 30 routines in Sucker Punch designed by your boy, Lloyd Barnes.
Pretty petty.
Do you want some gum?
Yes, please.
Oh, my bad. Give me a moment.
It's empty. I didn't know.
So I'm not good at catching the ring on the finger. I'm using a spoon usually because it's way easier to catch. It's longer and it's slimmer. So if I toss it and it's gone, then it like appears on the spoon. That's way easier. And if you play with it a little more, you can actually like take the thing off put it back on, you know, like that. And actually, can you hold the spoon with one? Yeah, and like don't move, and you just take it off like that.
What? What's this?
And if you prefer visual stuff for the camera, you can always do that.
What?
Nice.
Yo, so a little message from me. I'm home from the convention 2 days early. I dipped out. I was feeling like, to be honest with you, like overwhelmed by the amount of people, but I wanted to chime in and just say thank you because to the people that made this happen. I never dreamt that I would lecture at Magic Live. It is the #1 top of my bucket list, and it is for most Magic creators because it's the most like prestigious convention to go to, and to be booked for a lecture there is, you know, it happens to 1% of less than 1% of all magicians, and I never ever thought it would happen. That's why I kept talking about it so much, like saying, oh yeah, like, you know, it's like a lofty goal, so you speak it and I don't know. But yeah, that wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for like Tim Trono, who set it up, and Stan Allen. Thank you so much to you guys for getting me over there. Like everyone that helped then on the day, like Mark, Nick, David, Andy. I was introduced by Jeff McBride. Like, what the actual hell? And part of the reason like I left was I was so overwhelmed by it was like people being like just really kind, but as a British person, like I at least for me, but I don't handle compliments very well. Like I was lecturing, and I looked out into the crowd, and like staring back at me were my heroes in Magic: Michael Amar, Danny Garcia, Greg Wilson, like magicians, like the guys you hear me talking about, and they chose to come to watch me lecture. And yeah, I wanted the earth to swallow me. I felt like super uncomfortable. It didn't feel real. So after the convention, I just booked my flights to come back and see the family. I just want to say thank you to everyone. David Penn came up after my first lecture, and he gave me a piece of advice that like changed the reaction to this one effect, and like that like rocketed the lecture. So thanks to David. And I also want to say thanks to the people on the way there, like Craig Petty for being my like mascot, Pig Cake, Jake, who heard me like ramble on about the lecture, obviously Kaylee, who's seen me practice for 10,000 hours, my wife. I literally could not have done it without her, so I love you, Kaylee. And also, I know I didn't film every trick at the convention. I know I missed a bunch of tables because I dipped 2 days early because I'm a little bitch. But you know, so I'm not claiming these were the official best tricks because I definitely missed a few, possibly missed a few. But that's on me. So please don't be offended. Like you know, I missed the Vanishing Ink booth. I didn't get time to say that. I didn't get time to film Mark Mason, who was on my flight and was just so lovely to me. So I do apologize. I didn't mean to miss any of you guys out. And yeah, I can't believe it. What a whirlwind! Magic Live. Nothing on my bucket list anymore. It's completed. I can't wrap my head around it. So yeah, just thank you for making this little Welsh kid's dream come true. Peace.